C96, and we're trying to raise $50,000 for Christchurch's recovery. And we've got some famous faces supporting us.
G'day there, it's Anthony from the Wiggles.
And Jeff from the Wiggles.
And we love C96. We want to say to everybody in Christchurch, especially all the children, keep smiling, keep happy, keep wiggling. We're all thinking of you.
Hello, this is John Key, Prime Minister of New Zealand. For all the listeners of 96.1, I want to encourage you firstly to keep listening.
Hi, this is Charlie and Jim from What Now?
Stay strong, Christchurch, we love you and we can get through this.
Too right, and keep it locked to C96.
Hey, this is Erin Simpson and you're listening to C96. These guys are helping us rise above it.
G'day, this is Bob Parker and you're listening to C96.
Live from the 2nd of May.
C96.
Sounds like Christchurch.